Hey everyone, how's it going? One of the more funny comments we've been getting a lot on videos is, why are you washing this perfectly clean car? It's especially true on our videos, our shorts videos where we are foam cannoning prep a car. So I'm gonna tell you a little bit about why we clean what seems to be perfectly clean cars. So the simplest answer is, a lot of the cars that you see that appear to be perfectly clean are absolutely not. They're filthy. So one of a recent video was a silver Subaru that we foam cannon, and people were saying, oh, you're cleaning a perfectly clean car. Well, the car was actually filthy. It hadn't been washed in 3 or 4 months, plus rain and all this other weather we've been having in Texas. So it actually wasn't a clean car at all, but silver does hide dirt, and especially on camera. So that's kind of one thing, is it looks clean, but it's actually not. And then the second thing that causes us to wash a clean car is, what appears to be clean, or what would meet a cleanliness standard for the average car cleaning that you would do as an enthusiast, or your own car at home, is not going to meet the standard that is required to install paint protection film, otherwise known as PPF or clear bra, or ceramic coating. So we want to make the car as clean as possible, and especially with PPF, where those dirt particles can fall out into the film during the installation. We're super careful, and sometimes we even wash the vehicle twice. And what will happen is, we'll foam cannon the car, and we'll wash it, and then we'll actually foam cannon it again and use a detail brush to get in the crevices, as well as clay bar the paint, and then rinse it off again. And so a lot of these cars that come in really dirty, especially if it's paint protection film after a large rain and the car's been driving around in the rain, picks up a lot of that gritty stuff. We want that to get into the film as least amount as possible. And so that is why it appears as though we're cleaning clean cars. They're either not clean, or they're not clean to the standard required for a ceramic coating or paint protection film installation.